What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando. We were just here yesterday checking out some of the procedures for the opening. Well, we're back here. It's reopening day. Let's see what's going on. We've gone digital, so take your phone. You can download your park map right there. We can see some of the signs over here showing off the requirements: face coverings, physical distance, clean hands, all that sort of stuff. Ticket booths aren't too busy, but we do have some guests. We're gonna walk right over here to the turnstiles and hopefully get right in. Yep, no wait to get through security, temperature check, or the turnstiles, and we are on our way. Dolphin Nursery, and yesterday we had a chance to meet a baby dolphin. If you get a chance, come on by and check them out. Well, for those of you wondering if the bars were open, indeed, as we can see Flamecraft serving it up. And hello 2021 roller coaster proposed site. As we can see, construction walls are up, but we have not heard anything new other than this is rumored to be a surf coaster by B&M. Could be a wing coaster, something else like that. Not 100% sure. We'll see if that does happen. And if any new rumors come out, we'll let you know. Alright, so one thing we do want to point out, when all of this craziness happened, well, the work walls were taken down from what we had seen, and the fact that they're back up, that's a good sign that something may be happening. Hello, Icebreaker. It is good to see you again. We're going to check up on the progress and see if anything is new. And for those of you wondering about Electric Ocean, well, the stage is down, there is no prep work, and we also do not see any of the machines for the pyro in the lake. So unfortunately, it does not look like that's going to happen. And here's the Beyond Vertical Spike for Icebreaker. And speaking of this attraction, as you know, well, it's not operating, not testing, and there's no sign of it opening soon. There's some outside factors going on right now that I'm not going to discuss, but hopefully we'll see this operate in 2020. We'll see. And here's the front entrance area. Does not look different from our last update almost 3 months ago. Mango Joe's, and this was in operation before everything went crazy, but right now, not open. Wild Arctic, and before we told you that the helicopter tours, aka the simulator, was not working, well, that's still the case. The walkthrough is open though. That's about a 10-minute wait, and we can see work walls over here. The rumor was that we had a bar possibly coming to this location. We'll see if that still happens. Now we're over here by the Orca Stadium, the backside of the Beyond Vertical Spike station, exit ramp, and there's the icebreaker train right where we left it last time. Orca encounter, and we can see today there are 3 shows: 12, 2:30, and 5:30. Let's go watch one. Alright, so here we are inside the stadium, and we can see entire sections are closed off for distancing, as well as every other row. As you can see, seating right here is good, but that row, not good. We also have one-way arrows there. It's like that for the entire stadium. Not sure if this is new or not, but we have Orca Trivia, and it's meant to get the guests in the mood before the show starts.
At the end of today's presentation, we ask that you please remain seated. Our operations ambassadors will be on hand to assist in the safe and timely exit of all of our guests.
Sesame Street Land, and unfortunately it is not open. Well, we're over here by Infinity Falls and we can see the games area, Rapid Restore. Well, that's closed off. Same with the gator heads over there. Infinity Falls, and the ride was in operation earlier. It's not because of, well, the darkness. But yes, it is open for guests, and you do not have to wear a face mask when you get on the attraction. Well, this is a bit different. Over here by the Nautilus Theater, well, the midway's been ripped up and it looks like it's getting replaced. We have barriers out front here, and they're rerouting us. Unfortunately, it does not look like the pink chicken boats are open right now. It might have been a little bit earlier, but we're about 20 minutes away from park close, so it's closed right now. Mako! I've got the Mako Madness. I have 995 rides on it. Let's go get 996. And as we can see right here, Tessie located past the main entrance. And we do have the markings on the ground right here, showing off the social distancing. So right over here next to Mako and by the water, well, we have a face covering relaxation zone, which means you can take your mask off. Yeah! Now, I know it's 5 minutes before park close, but does not appear to be busy. Sea Lion High, the new class, and they had shows today at 12, 2:30, and 4 o'clock. Well, we used to have a food booth over here for Seven Seas Food Festival, but that's gone. Sky Tower, and it's closed. No! So no aerial views of Icebreaker, unfortunately. Hopefully it'll reopen soon. Pacific Point Preserve, and it's open, so that means we get to see some seals and sea lions. Walking through Antarctica. Feels like the real deal, just minus the cold. Kraken Unleashed, currently in operation, showing a 45-minute wait. Journey to Atlantis, and we can see water in the flume, but no boats. And it's not going to be running for a little bit. We'll let you know when it does, though. Manta, and unfortunately it was not in operation today. Hopefully that'll change soon. We know it's supposed to be one of the normally scheduled rides, but today was having some issues. Again, more weird sights as there are no guests anywhere. Manta's entry right there closed off, but look at this, empty. And of course, we cannot come to SeaWorld Orlando without saying hello to our pink chickens. Up close pink chickens, yeah. Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for the park's reopening. Yeah, exciting stuff. We had a ton of fun. I will say this, they're doing a great job with all the markings. Staff are excellent, trying to enforce the social distancing and whatnot. Icebreaker looks amazing, but no new progress. Hopefully we'll have some news on that coming up very soon, and we're going to have more updates from here. So if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.